Hello students, welcome to basic classes. This is M. Rahul, one of the maths faculties in Balabharti High School, Budwarpet, Karnool. Today I am going to discuss with you some LCM tricks. Before knowing the LCM tricks, let us learn what is LCM and what is its concept. Here LCM stands for least common multiple. I'll take one example and I'll explain you this concept. Here you can see the question, find LCM of 4 and 6. So first what you are supposed to do is write the multiples of 4 and multiples of 6. Here I have already written the multiples of 4 and 6 for you. Multiples of 4. 4 ones 4, 4 twos 8, 4 threes 12, 4 fours 16, 4 fives 20, 4 6 24, so on. And here you have multiples of 6. 6 1 6, 6 2 12, 6 3 18, 6 4 24, 6 5 30, 6 6 36 and so on. If you observe this 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40 and so on are the multiples of 4. And this 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60 and so on are the multiples of 6. Now what you need to do is you need to circle common multiples in 4 and 6. If you observe here, in this series we have 12 here, and in this series also we have 12 here. It means 12 is common multiple of 4 and 6. Just circle it. Next we have 24. If you observe here, in this series we have 24, here also we have 24. It means 24 is the common multiple of 4 and 6. Just circle 24. Again we have 36 here. Here also we have 36. So just circle 36. Here we will get so many common multiples. I am not taking all those. Now what you need to do is, here I have written common multiples of 4 and 6. Write down the common multiples here. What are the common multiples we got? 12, 24, 36, right? 12, 24, 36, and here I will write so on. Why? Because we will still get so many common multiples. Now out of this 12, 24, 36, which is the lowest or least common multiple? 12, right? So out of 12, 24, 36, 12 is the least or lowest common multiple. Therefore least common multiple of 4, 6 is 12. Okay, so LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Now let me discuss with you one more example, that is find LCM of 5, 10, 20. Again I will write multiples of 5, multiples of 10, multiples of 20. Here I have already written multiples of 5, 10 and 20. You can see here multiples of 5. 5 ones 5, 5 twos 10, 5 threes 15, 5 fours 20, 5 fives 25, 5 6 30 and so on. Here multiples of 10. 10 ones 10, 10 twos 20, 10 threes 30, 10 fours 40, 10 fives 50 and so on. Here multiples of 20. 20 ones 20, 22s 40, 23 60, 24s 80, 25s 100 and so on. Now again we will circle the common multiples in 5, 10 and 20. Observe here. Here we have 20, here also we have 20, here also we have 20. That is 20 is the common multiple in 5, 10 and 20. Circle it. Next one is 30. Here we have 30, here we don't have 30 here. 40, here we have 40, here we have, right? So next one is 40. You can see we have 40 here, we have 40 here, again we have 40 here. Now circle this 40. Why? Because it is common multiples in 5, 10 and 20. So we'll get still so many common multiples, but here I am taking only these two common multiples. Now write down the common multiples of 5, 10, 20 here. That is 20, 40, so on. So here we will get still some common multiples which I am not writing here. That is why I have written so on. Now out of this 20 and 40, which is the least or lowest common multiple? 20. Therefore LCM of 5, 10, 20 is 20. So LCM of 5, 10, 20 is 20, or least common multiple of 5, 10, 20 is 20. If you look at the name least common multiple, the name itself is clear that we need to find the least common multiple of given numbers. Let us look at one more method for finding LCM of given numbers. This is method 2. So here we have the question, find the LCM of 4 and 6, 5, 10 and 20. So I will take 4 and 6 first. In order to find LCM for 4 and 6, first you need to write 4 and 6 in this way. Now you need to take one prime number which will divide at least one of these two numbers. Here you can see I have written some prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7. We have still so many prime numbers, but I have taken only these 4. Now you need to take one prime number, lowest prime number, which will divide at least one of these two numbers. I will take 2 here. 2 2s 4, 2 3s 6. Here we got 2 3. Now take again one prime number which will divide at least one of these two numbers. Again I will take 2. 2 1s 2, and 3 cannot be divided by 2. That is why I will write it as it is. We have here 1 and 3. Here I will take prime number 3 so that I can divide this 3. 1 comma 3 ones 3. So now what you need to do is LCM of 4 comma 6 equal to multiply the numbers which you got this side. That is 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s 4. 4 3s 12. Therefore 12 is the LCM of 4 and 6. Now let us look at second example. 5, 10, 20. Again I will write it in this way, 5 comma 10 comma 20. Here I am taking 2 again. 5 cannot be divided by 2. That is why I will write 5 as it is. 2 5s 10. 2 10s 20. Here we got 5, 5, 10. Now what I will do is I will take the prime number 5. 5 1s 5, 5 1s 5, 5 2s 10. So here we got 1, 1, 2. Now here I will take number 2 so that I can divide this 2. 1 comma 1 comma 2 ones 2. Therefore LCM of 5 comma 10 comma 20 equal to, just multiply the numbers you got this side. 2 into 5 into 2, that is 2 5s 10, 10 2s 20. Therefore 20 is the LCM of 5, 10, 20. Let us see some tricks for finding LCM of given numbers. Using these tricks you can save a lot of time in your examinations. First I will find LCM for 4 and 6. If you observe, here we have 4 and here we have 6. Now in these two numbers, which is the biggest number? 6, right? Can 6 be divided by 4? No. Then what you need to do? Just multiply 6 with 2. 6 2s 12. Can 12 be divided by 4? Yes. 4 3s 12. Therefore 12 is the LCM of 4 and 6. Look at second example. 7 comma 14 35. Now here we have three numbers, 7, 14, 35. Out of these three numbers, which is the biggest number? 35, right? Can 35 be divided by 7? Yes. 7 5s 35. Can 35 be divided by 14? No. Then what you need to do? Just multiply the highest number with 2. 35 2s 70. Can 70 be divided by 7? Yes. 7 10s 70. Can 70 be divided by 14? Yes. 14 5s 70. Therefore 70 is the LCM of 7, 14, 35. Example 3. 5, 15, 20. So here we have three numbers 5, 15, 20. Out of these three numbers, which is the biggest number? 20. Now can 20 be divided by 5? Yes. 5 fours 20. Can 20 be divided by 15? No. Then what you need to do? Multiply the highest number with 2. 22's 40. Can 40 be divided by 5? Yes. 5 8's 40. Can 40 be divided by 15? No. So here what you need to do is, instead of multiplying highest number with 2, you multiply the highest number with 3. 23 is 60. Can 60 be divided by 5? Yes. 12 5 is 60. Can 60 be divided by 15? Yes. 15 4 is 60. Therefore 60 is the LCM of 5, 15, 20. Example 4. 3, 11, 12. In these three numbers, which is the highest number or the biggest number? 12. Can 12 be divided by 3? Yes. 3 4's 12. Can 12 be divided by 11? No. So what we need to do? We need to multiply the highest number with 2. 12 2's 24. Can 24 be divided by 11? No. So what we'll do? Again we'll write here 3. 12 3's 36. Can this 36 be divided by 11? No. Here again if we take 4, 12 4's 48. Again this 48 cannot be divided by 11. If we observe here, 11 is the prime number. 11 is prime number. That is why what you need to do is just multiply this prime number with the highest number. That is multiply 11 with 12. Okay. So we got 132. So this 132 is the LCM of 3, 11, 12. You can see 132 can be divided by 3, 132 can be divided by 11, 132 can be divided by 12. Therefore 132 is the LCM of 3, 11 and 12. Example 5, 5, 7, 11. Now if you look at these three numbers 5, 7, 11, in these three numbers 11 is the biggest number, right? So can this 11 be divided by 5? No. Can this 11 be divided by 7? No. If you observe these three numbers carefully, these three numbers are prime numbers. So what you need to do is you just multiply these three numbers, like 5 into 7 into 11. 5 7's 35. 35 into 11. What is 35 11's? 385. Therefore this 385 is the LCM of 5, 7, 11. Now I have some homework for you. You can do this homework in any notebook. Thanks for watching. Please stay home, stay safe. Thank you.